The Survivor Tree. Daily Diary of the Tree after 9/11. September 11th, 2001. Dear Diary, today started out as any other day. The streets were busy, the people were hustling, the birds were chirping, but it didn't last long. My two best friends, the Twin Towers, the Twin Towers, they are no longer here. Two planes came in and crashed into them. People were screaming. There was dust, paper, and much more everywhere. I thought I was for sure a goner. I felt my limbs being torn off. I couldn't breathe and felt as though I was being suffocated. I'm still afraid I won't make it, so here I am, writing in my diary so anyone knows what happened to me. I can't tell if anyone is alive. My friends, the other trees, the people. All I hear is screaming, crying, and sirens. I am scared. I am hurt, and I am confused. The air is so still. The dust is so thick. I can't see anything or anyone. What if I am never found? What if they think I'm dead and cut me down? I am so scared, and I just want today to be over. It's getting dark now. No one has seen me yet. I can hear people screaming, people's names. I can hear dogs barking, but no one is looking for me. I mean, am I just a tree? But I need someone to find me. I'm not doing well at all. I need help, but I can't yell. I can't talk. I pray someone comes soon. If not, I may just give up.